RV solar power fundamentals. What are the most common myths about RV solar power? RV solar power is too expensive. Solar panels don't work in cloudy weather. You need too many solar panels to meet your needs. It helps to think of your RV solar system as your car's fuel system. The RV battery is like your car's gas tank. A typical RV battery may be rated at 100 amp hours. Those amp hours are like gallons of fuel in your gas tank. Just as you consume gasoline to run your car's engine, you use up amp hours to operate your RV appliances like your water pump, refrigerator, or TV. When your battery is depleted, you need to replenish those amp hours, in this case with energy from your solar panels. Think of voltage as pump pressure. Using our auto analogy, imagine you pull your car into the gas station to refill your gas tank. If the gas pump doesn't provide enough pressure, it will not completely fill your gas tank and you won't be able to drive as far next time. The same is true for RV solar charging. Many standard RV solar chargers don't produce enough voltage, only charging your RV battery to 13.7 volts, much less than the 14.4 volts required for a full charge. Without that complete charge, your gas tank won't be full. This means you won't be able to stay off-grid and run on battery power for as long as you would with full batteries. That's why most solar solutions are designed to charge to the right voltage, giving you a 100% charge every time. RV solar power systems convert sunlight into electricity, allowing RV owners to run appliances without relying solely on shore power or generators. This is especially useful for off-grid camping, offering energy independence and enabling longer stays in remote areas. Solar power reduces fuel costs, minimizes generator use, and cuts noise and emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Systems are modular and scalable. Small setups can power essentials like lighting and charging devices, while larger ones can support refrigerators and entertainment systems. Reliable and expandable RV solar power provides consistent energy when sunlight is available and enhances comfort during travel. An RV solar system captures sunlight with photovoltaic cells and solar panels generating direct current electricity. Since most RV systems use DC power, this energy can be stored in batteries and efficiently used by onboard devices. After electricity is produced by the solar panels, it flows to a solar charge controller. The charge controller plays a critical role by managing how much power is sent to the batteries. Without regulation, batteries can be overcharged, which significantly shortens their lifespan or causes permanent damage. The controller adjusts voltage and current based on battery condition, ensuring safe and effective charging throughout the day. Energy generated during sunlight is stored in the RV's battery bank, which functions like a fuel tank for later use at night or in cloudy weather. The battery's bank size and type determine how long the RV can run without recharging. Batteries can be connected in various ways to adjust voltage or capacity as needed. RV appliances that need AC power use an inverter, which converts stored DC battery power into AC for standard devices. This process of generating, regulating, storing, and converting solar energy enables smooth operation of RV activities. Knowing this energy flow helps RV owners troubleshoot, upgrade, and efficiently manage their systems. An RV solar power system relies on several key components working together. The solar panel array, usually roof-mounted or portable, captures sunlight and generates DC electricity with overall capacity based on total wattage. The solar charge controller manages power from the panels to the batteries, preventing overcharging and maximizing battery life. Deep cycle lithium batteries store energy for use when sunlight isn't available, and their specifications affect a system performance. Inverters, wiring, fuses, and disconnects convert and distribute power safely. When properly selected and installed, these elements ensure efficient and reliable operation. So it goes from the solar panel to the controller to the battery and then over to the inverter if you're going to be using anything on AC power. Solar panels convert sunlight into electrical energy and are essential for RV solar systems. Each panel contains interconnected photovoltaic cells that generate power measured in watts, influenced by sunlight, orientation, temperature, and shading. Panel efficiency relates to how much electricity is produced for the use. For the size, higher efficiency means more power and less space. Crucial for limited RV roof area. Real-world output often differs from lab ratings due to partial shading or dirt. Roof-mounted panels provide continuous charging but are usually flat-mounted panels while portable panels can be aligned for optimal sun exposure but need manual setup. Durability is also important. Panels face vibration, weather, and temperature shifts, so quality, construction, and mounting improve longevity. Knowing these factors helps RV owners choose and use solar panels efficiently. Comparing designs. Common solar panel types for RVs include monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Monocrystalline panels offer high efficiency and limited space but cost more. Polycrystalline panels are less efficient but cheaper, with varying quality between brands. Thin film panels are flexible and lightweight but require more area and degrade faster. Panels come in rigid or flexible designs. Selecting the right panel depends on space, weight, durability, efficiency, and budget. Batteries store energy in RV solar systems for use at any time. Most systems use deep cycle batteries, which deliver steady power over long periods and endure many charge cycles. Common types are AGM, gel, and lithium. Lithium batteries last longer, but cost more and require specific charging. Choosing the right battery depends on budget, weight, capacity, and charging options. Proper choice and management of batteries ensure reliable and lasting solar performance. So if you were to get a lithium battery, you would want to make sure that you have a lithium charger and a converter that has a lithium charging option. A battery bank combines multiple batteries to reach the needed voltage and amp hour capacity. Connecting batteries in series increases voltage while parallel wiring boosts overall capacity. Both configurations are important. Compatibility with inverters, charge controllers, and RV electrical systems. For instance, two 6-volt batteries in series yield 12 volts. Parallel wiring keeps voltage the same but adds storage. Many RVs use both methods to balance requirements. Proper capacity planning involves estimating daily energy usage by listing all devices, their power needs, and usage time. This determines how large the battery bank should be. Extra capacity acts as a backup during cloudy days or long off-grid periods. So if you're going to be camping for a long time, you want to make sure that you have plenty of battery capacity to store power for whenever you may have an overcast day or rainy weather. Reliability is vital. Some setups can keep working if one battery fails, while others lose all power. Good design ensures steady power for travel. The solar charge controller is essential for RV solar systems, regulating power from panels to prevent battery overcharging. It manages voltage and current for efficient charging. There are two main types: PWM controllers, which are simpler and cost-effective for matching panel and battery voltages, and MPPT controllers, which offer higher efficiency, especially with high voltage panels or in cold weather, but at a higher price. Many modern controllers also feature battery monitoring and temperature compensation. Choosing the right controller improves battery life and system performance. RV batteries and solar panels provide DC electricity, but many appliances need AC power. Inverters convert DC to AC for household outlets, making proper inverter selection crucial for safety and reliability. Modified sine wave inverters are more affordable but may not suit sensitive electronics, while pure sine wave inverters deliver cleaner power for a wider range of devices. Choose inverter capacity based on total appliance wattage and consider surge requirements for startup loads. Oversizing offers future flexibility. Many inverters feature built-in chargers or shore power pass-through. Correct installation and wiring, along with good ventilation, are essential for safe operation. So whenever you're doing your math, you want to make sure that you're accounting for the startup of your AC or your fridge, because your amperage is going to spike whenever you're starting it up. Converters and battery chargers play an important role when an RV is connected to external AC power sources, such as shore power or a generator. These devices convert incoming AC power into DC power to charge the batteries and supply 12-volt systems. In many RVs, the terms converter and battery charger are used interchangeably. High quality converter chargers use a multi-stage charging to quickly and safely restore batteries. Faster charging reduces generator runtime, saves fuel, and limits noise, while effective charging maintains battery health and maximizes energy. Transfer switches boost safety and convenience by automatically selecting the correct AC power and preventing dangerous simultaneous connections. They eliminate the need for manual switching during changing power conditions. Converters, chargers, and transfer switches work together to integrate solar with traditional RV electric systems, ensuring smooth transitions between solar, shore, and generator power for reliable onboard electricity. So your transfer switch is going to make sure that you don't have shore power and solar generator power being output at the same time into the unit. Correctly sizing an RV solar system ensures reliable performance while avoiding unnecessary costs. Start by calculating daily energy use, list appliances, note their power draw, and estimate hours used per day for a total in watt hours or amp hours. Next, determine how many days the RV will operate without extra charging. Weekend campers need less storage than full-time off-grid travelers. Battery capacity should cover energy needs during low sunlight. Match solar panel output to battery size and expected sunlight. Accounting for location, season, and weather. Use conservative sunlight estimates for reliability. Select components that allow expansion to avoid future redesigns. Proper sizing provides balanced performance, cost savings, and flexibility for charging travel needs. Long-term success with RV solar systems relies on careful planning, quality components, and regular maintenance. Assess current and future power needs to avoid undersized systems and expensive upgrades. Consider how travel habits and appliance use may evolve. Choose panels, batteries, and settings and electronics that meet safety standards and are built for mobile settings. Check technical specs, warranties, and user reviews for reliability insights. Proper installation ensures safe, effective operation. Regularly clean panels, inspect wiring, and monitor battery health to catch issues early. Most modern systems have helpful monitoring tools. With proper design and upkeep, an RV solar system offers dependable power, more travel flexibility, and less dependence on external sources, making off-grid exploration comfortable and reliable. One big thing is keeping your solar panels clean, or they won't conduct as much energy.